Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a fun little project. We are going to give our mid-century kitchen chairs a JDM twist. As you can see, this one is pretty beat up. So we thought, why not salvage this chair by repurposing it with some Bride, whatever you call it, fabric we had laying around. Should be a fun, easy project for us. However this turns out, I'm sure it will be better than how it is now. We've got some leftover Bride fabric, some cushion from Amazon, staple gun, scissors, and Gorilla contact spray. We'll have all the links in the description box down below. So first step, let's remove this cushion. I've got my handy dandy helper here. I'm teaching my daughter how to DIY so your dusty boys don't impress her. All right, so my handy dandy assistant here helped me remove the screws on the bottom. Now we can remove the cushion. Did you remove the correct screws, handy dandy?
You're trying to remove the whole chair. This cushion only.
My handy dandy assistant removed the screws. All right, so we've got 1/2 inch thick foam here from Amazon. Okay, hold this handy dandy helper. Just gotta cut a piece here. Okay. Oh, that's way too much. You gotta cut more too.
Trying to get paid for the get down. You can't tell me shit now. Set the move from the dough. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. You can't tell me shit now. That's just how it goes. Trying to get paid for the get down. You can't tell me shit now. Set the move from the dough. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. You can't tell me shit now. That's just how it goes.
Okay, so that was such a quick and easy, fun job, inexpensive for us because we already had all the materials laying around. It's no more torn vinyl, super comfortable. We cut some fabric and cushioned to size. We sprayed some contact adhesive to hold it in place while we sprayed another layer to hold the fabric on top of the cushion. And then we were able to pull all the sides tightly and staple it below. There's some slight imperfections, but with some time, it'll flatten out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.